I am at the Open Doors Family Shelter on Mission Avenue. The sign posted on the door says Family Promise has had a positive case of COVID-19. Contact tracing over the weekend revealed a total of 17 positive cases. They are not accepting new families at this time. The shelter for now is being used as an isolation quarantine facility for the families who have tested positive. Executive Director Joe Ader says Family Promise started preparing for an outbreak in December last year.
We've had all the precautions in place for months now, and still we're impacted.
He says the shelter is already serving families at a limited capacity to ensure social distancing. The positive cases are stressing its capacity even further at a time when families start needing it most.
We're the last line of defense for families that are experiencing homelessness, so they don't have to be on the streets. And so for our shelter to be closed due to COVID is a significant situation.
Since March, Ader says COVID response has required the shelter to spend almost $150,000. This is to ensure social distancing, which they've accomplished by opening a second location. Even then, Family Promise says they've had to turn people away. Right now, 6 families are in isolation and 10 are staying at its Open Doors facility.
We won't have those available until we are through this quarantine period.
Spokane-County spokesperson Jared Webley says its CARES Act request is pending. It will go before the Board of Commissioners once Family Promise makes a few corrections to the application.
This is a stressful occasion.
For the time being, Family Promise will not be accepting new families at the shelter. They expect to be testing all staff and families again at the end of this week. After assessing the results, Family Promise will be working with the Spokane Regional Health District to determine its next steps at a phased reopening. Amanda Rowley, KREM 2 News.